My name is Samuel Wasswa. I am the General Manager responsible for after-sales marketing at Isuzu East Africa. Number one, I would like to know all the people who have bought our products in the past week so that we can make sure that we attach them to the nearest service center. The second one is just to have a status of the condition of our service outlets across the country. And by this I mean making sure that we have adequate stock levels for parts, for lubricants, and just a general overview of what is happening in those areas. And the third one, of course, is have a very close interactions with my teams across the country, just to make sure that they have the finger on the pulse of everything that is happening with their customers across the region. It's actually 53.9% market share. And we guard that market share jealously because we believe we have a fantastic product. Our customers across the region have made us number one for good reason. I remember growing up in Nairobi and seeing vehicles transporting building material, stones and sand, and they were all Isuzu. So we have a long-standing, proud heritage of fantastic products. The other reason is, in as far as technology is concerned, I think Isuzu has, over the past 8 years, demonstrated that they are the leaders in as far as diesel engine technology is concerned. And that is evident in the products that we sell. When you buy an Isuzu product, you know you are buying into a product that will serve you and will give you excellent performance for the duration of, for the lifespan of the vehicle. The other point that our customers look out for is, of course, our excellent after-sales service. We have, across East Africa, 77 touch points where you can access our parts and service. And this is fantastic because it then means that when you buy our product, irrespective of where you are in East Africa, you are guaranteed that you will get genuine parts for your Isuzu vehicle and quality service as well. The relationships that we have with our customers are what I would call second to none. We are bound by the ethos of Isuzu Care, and Isuzu Care is essentially a guiding principle that ensures that every touch point that our customers engage with is bound by excellence, is bound by empathy, and a strong belief of driving vehicle uptime. So our relationship is critical. We employ different means to ensure that we are close contact with our customers. We have a fantastic team of field engineers. These are young men and women who are on call 24 hours a day across the country to ensure that any challenges our customers may go through, they are there to provide technical support. We have a 24-hour contact center facility that our customers can call. And when they call the number, the toll-free number, 0800-724-724, they are guaranteed that they will get support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In regards to technology, Isuzu has, over the past 8 years, demonstrated strong thought leadership in as far as technology is concerned, primarily around diesel technology. So in 2019, Isuzu East Africa introduced 7th generation vehicles. And these are vehicles that are on the cutting edge of technology, designed primarily to give more output, but consume less fuel. And in 2022, we subsequently introduced our Euro 4 vehicles. We have a responsibility to ensure that our products are meeting emission levels that protect our environment. So we are now proud to say that our vehicles meet Euro 4 specifications, and we are proud players in as far as protecting the environment is concerned. As the name suggests, Hakuna Kubahatisha speaks to not taking chances. And here we are telling our customers, please, you have trusted us with your product. You have spent your hard-earned money to buy an Isuzu product. Let us make sure we keep it on the road for you so that we drive maximum uptime. Now, Hakuna Kubahatisha is a campaign that seeks to reward. We want to say thank you to our customers for the years of demonstrating loyalty to us. And the campaign encompasses fantastic discounts and offers through the next 3 months to encourage our customers and to say thank you for supporting our business. It also involves health checks for the vehicles. So when you bring your vehicle to us during this period, we ensure that we conduct a health check and we give your vehicle a clean bill of health, or we advise you on a program that will get your vehicle back in tip-top condition. Hakuna Kubahatisha also speaks to our spare parts agenda. We want to encourage our customers to use genuine parts. And therefore, again, we're saying, when you trust us with your vehicle, please ensure that you also use genuine parts and our genuine range of Maxit lubricants to ensure your vehicles remain on the road 24/7.